Baby Mama TV.
Hello kids. Today we will learn animals' name and their uses. Hen. Hen gives us eggs and chicken. Duck. Duck gives us eggs and meat. Sheep. Sheep gives us wool. Honeybee. Honeybee gives us honey. Goat. Goat gives us milk, mutton and leather. Cow. Cow gives us milk. Buffalo. Buffalo gives us milk and beef. Fish. Fish gives us meat. Dog. Dog uses for security. Horse. Horse uses for transportation. Bull. Bull uses for transportation. Ox. Ox uses for plowing fields. Donkey. Donkey uses for transportation. Camel. Camel uses for transportation. Pig. Pig gives us pork and leather.
If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Baby Mama TV. Bye bye.